Welcome back. Now, I want to talk to you guys about a leverage trade that I made recently, and honestly about leverage trading. And I think what I'll cover in this video is not only just the trade that I made, because it's exciting to see this, but also just go through tips and tricks on actually managing a leverage trading account. Um, so before we get into this video, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out the link for Patreon as well as Twitter. And if you guys want to get started leverage trading, you can utilize this platform, which I am partnering with, which is BTCC. You can get a 10% deposit bonus on all deposits up over 500 USDT. You can get extra bonuses up to $10,055, as well as 40% lower trading fees there. And this has been around, it's been trusted by millions for 13 years, so you don't really have to worry about that. And you can have up to a 500x leverage if you feel that you have the opportunity to do so. Now, um, like I said, I want to talk about a leverage trade that I've made, so it's just it makes sense to talk about all of this and show you guys this platform itself. Now, because of this platform, I've been used to leverage trading somewhere around 5 to 10%, sometimes, or 5 to 10x leverage. Sometimes I'll leverage trade a 50x leverage, but rarely will I go above that. I mean, there's BTC or Ethereum where you can do 100x leverage, right? But it's just so risky when you have multiple x leverages, multiple 100x leverages. You have to know what you are doing. However, I wanted to test the market to see, what I could do and where it could be. And right now, we're up a massive amount on the leverage trade that we just made, percentage wise, not money wise, because I only did a small amount. But I wanted to show you guys, I made a trade on XRP. XRP was around the 50-cent mark, and I guess it was a good spot to do a 500x leverage. But I did a 500x leverage, and you can see how XRP is moving, and it's up by 2% in the last 24 hours. But if we scroll down here to the bottom of this page, you're going to see I have a 500x leverage. The order size is only 100 XRP, which is worth 10 cents, or was worth 10 cents USDT. But you can see here that it's up almost 1,000%, 977% that it is up in basically 24 hours. And yes, it's only up $1 from the 10 cents that I put in there, but that turned 10 cents into $1. Imagine $100 and add another zero on top of that, right? It's amazing to be able to see that type of growth, to be able to turn $100 into $1,000, or $1,000 into $10,000. Now, the reason why I only did a little bit is because 500x leverage is very risky, and I did not do any type of research into making that trade. I just wanted to test the markets to see how comfortable I am with doing that, and the ability of doing it. And I wanted to test the market in buying and selling so that I know how to do this. The biggest tip that I can give towards leverage trading is the fact that you learn, right? You learn with everything that you are doing, because most people, they'll just jump right in, throw $100, throw $1,000, and you can't do that. Yes, if I would have done that, I would have made so much money, but it wasn't backed by any type of information. It wasn't backed. It was just literally a crapshoot. I just threw it out there because I wanted to test the markets. Now, either way, you could test the markets on this platform by not even live trading. You could do demo trading, which you would be trading with the accounts that you have here, and you can trade $100, $1,000, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to risk, and get practice, and you can learn. But there's nothing like learning with your own money, whether that's 10 cents or $10. There's nothing like learning with your own money. Now, another tip that I can have about trading is the fact that you need to be disciplined. Developing a strategy and then sticking to that strategy is 100% key to being successful in trading in general, especially leverage trading. Because if you are, let's say, leveraging 5x, or let's just make it easier. If you're leveraging a 2x, right, where you put up $100 and you're basically trading and getting the profits for $200, but you're only risking $100. That means if that position drops by 50%, you lose your $100 that you put in there. You lose everything. Now, the likelihood of something dropping by 50% is not really likely as you invest into a lot of these other projects like XRP and BTC and Ethereum and BNB and even Terra Luna Classic, things like that. The likelihood of them dropping 50% is unlikely. So that's why a 2x leverage is great. But then you start to get to higher leverages, right? A 5x leverage, if it drops by 20%, you then lose everything. A 100x leverage, if it drops by 1%, you lose everything. So this is where you have to then factor that in, right? If you have 500x leverage, if it drops by, what is it, 0.2%, something like that, then you end up losing everything that you put in there. So understand your strategy and be disciplined for when you're going to take a loss, right? Because if you put $100 in there and you say, oh, I'm just willing to lose $100, that means that you're willing to take 100% of the loss for whatever gain you can get. What you want is a 3x or a 3 to 1 ratio or 5 to 1 ratio, meaning that you have $100. If you lose $33, you get out of that position and you live to fight another day with the $66 that you have left, right? And then a 5 to 1 would be if you lose $20, you would then sell that position and you would live to fight another day with the $80 that you have left. You get what I mean? So every time you give yourself a chance, you lose $20, you made a bad trade. You lose $20, you made a bad trade. You end up making a good trade, then you gain hundreds of dollars, and then you make up all of those losses. So give yourself more chances in order to be successful. But yeah, I mean, I've been leverage trading for a while. Obviously, I've been leverage trading on Margex as well. But I leverage trade on BTCC, and I want to see how great this platform is. And they also use TradingView. They have great charting as well. But also, if you find the absolute best opportunity that's skyrocketing, then you could then see a 500x leverage if you wanted to on XRP or on BTC or on Ethereum. So it's something that's opened my eyes to a little bit more opportunity, and I'm going to make some more trades, and I'll let you guys know how these are going. But guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. One of those links again is for BTCC, where you'll get a 10% deposit bonus and up to $10,000 per user for extra bonuses as you go through it. And then also 40% lower trading fees. So check it out. I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.